Dear 12th Science with Bio and NEET qualified student, what is your supreme dream? Is it to have a reputed MBBS degree with great clinical exposure? Is it to have a valid post-graduation in your preferred specialization? Is it to become a famous doctor and to work with experienced and renowned doctors at the world's best hospitals and solving together critical healthcare and medical challenges and make a positive impact in this world? And all above, with good quality of life and peace of mind for you and your family, then you really need to join only a high-profile, top-ranking medical university. But what if you cannot get admission in good government medical colleges in your country? You will have three options. Choosing any mediocre private medical college with hefty fees, or choosing any cheap foreign medical university in any country without perfect credential but look an easy option. Or choosing world-class, completely recognized medical university at very reasonable and affordable fee in abroad. Obviously, it's wise to choose later option because when anyways we are going out of our town to study medicine, going to live in hostel, not at home, eating mess food and not mom's cooked food, then either we change our city, state or country. What's the big deal? Now it's globalization. World is a campus. Going and coming inside out of country is very easy and affordable. So if by going abroad, we are enhancing our career opportunities, then better we go abroad. And when we have chance to, then why not choose the best? So first we will choose an appropriate country and then we choose the best medical university for us. So actually we can fulfill our dreams. So which would be the best country among the many popular ones? Russia, China, Ukraine, Belarus, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan or Philippines? Obviously the Philippines without any confusion. Why? Because of many unique reasons. Philippines became best country to study medicine for Indian subcontinent students. Reason number 1. In the Philippines, you need not learn any other language, so no extra burden of language classes. No need to devote extra time for learning unknown language like Russian, Ukrainian, Georgian, Belarusian, Chinese, Kyrgyzstani, Kazakhstani. As the Philippines is the third largest English-speaking country after USA and Canada, so we can concentrate only on medical studies. And English, you already know well. In the Philippines, you are getting American medical education, just like all other developed countries like USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK and other 150 countries too. Benefit to you is that you will be ahead than any other student if you want to join post-graduation in these developed countries. Reason number 3. Like Indian subcontinent, Philippines is also a tropical country, so curriculum and disease pattern both are same as Indian subcontinent. So it will be very easy for you to come back and practice here. Even you do not need to learn separate curriculum of your country, like students who go to other countries have to take extra classes for local medical council preparation. Reason number 4. In the Philippines, you can manage high quality living standard in much less than any other country. Tuition fee is also very reasonable and living arrangements. Your specific food needs is also very affordable and equivalent to your country. You can say that American education and American living standard at Indian subcontinent cost is possible in Philippines only. Other major reasons to join Philippines is like it's very safe and secure, even more than our country. It's very near to our country. Its economy is better than ours. People are very friendly and accommodative. And for medical education, it is best because even Americans come to study medicines here. Now, as we understood that the Philippines is far better for us than any Russian or Chinese country, now which university we should study in the Philippines? When we need to choose medical university for us which matches our dream, then it must be some top-ranking, high-profile, fully recognized and able to offer us comforts of life. So you can study in better way and fulfill your supreme dream. as you have a goal to study free post-graduation in USA, then you should not study in any medical university which is not in PAASU. So if you get a chance to get admission in Angelus University Foundation, then take admission there only. But as they have limited seats, so you should contact them at an early stage. They have representatives in every big city in India. If you are passionate towards fulfilling your dreams, if you are ready to dedicate 100% of yourself, then the Angelus University Foundation will be the best choice. It's a medical university to fulfill your dreams and ensures peace of mind for your parents also. Angelus University Foundation ensure you get your place in this world which you deserve. Please see this video completely to know how Angelus University Foundation is different from other medical universities and exactly why it is a perfect place for you to be a world-class doctor. Let's discuss how. The reasons are many. Let me share with you. First of all, due to great faculty and academic strength. It is top ranking due to its MCI, PLE, USMLE and NEET PG results. Second, it is the only medical university whose MD program is recognized by PAASU, which ensures that your application for free post-graduation in the USA will be accepted. You can check about it on USA website www.famer.org or www.paasuorg.ph. Please check this website for any other university also which you are considering as an option of Angelus University Foundation. Then third, due to its high academic standard, it is also recognized by the Association of Indian Universities, come under Government of India HRD. This helps you in getting an education loan or government subsidies, scholarships, etc. easily, if any, in future in India. Fourth, it is also recognized by World Health Organization (WHO), Medical Council of India (MCI), which is now National Medical Council of India (NMC), ECFMG USA, GMC, AMC Australia, MCC, Medical Council of Canada (Canada), California State Medical Council, USA, etc., which makes you eligible to work across the world including our country. It is also recognized by Medical Councils of Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Fifth, AUF Medical University Hospital having the Nuclear Medicine Center, which is not in our country as of now. It means that you are studying more futuristic, which helps you to take higher positions in the medical profession. Sixth, it's proven. As already hundreds of pass-out doctors from this university are working in our country and abroad, 100% MCI screen test passing rate and very good NEET PG result. Only university abroad so far is having such a result. Its faculties ensure that you too have great results. Seventh, incomparable and extraordinary clinical exposure at 5 hospitals. Campus Hospital, AUFMC, which is set up with American Healthcare Collaboration, is also a tertiary hospital and got National Award of Best Tertiary Hospital from PhilHealth. Other affiliate multi-speciality hospitals which also crowded by patients are Jose B. Lingard Memorial Regional Hospital, Angeles City General Hospital, Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Talent General Hospital. Specializations available: Complete Cardiovascular Care Unit, Hearing Care Unit, Center for Anatomy, Pathology and Laboratory, Medicine Center for Diagnostic Imaging, Sports, Physical and Rehabilitation Medicine Center, Eye and LASIK Surgery, Department of Internal Medicine, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Department of Pediatrics. 8th, when you are going to abroad, you need to arrange your accommodation also, which is very tedious task. But here too, Angelus University Foundation has already done great work for you by providing air-conditioned, Wi-Fi, girls and boys separate hostels in campus itself, which keeps you very safe and secure. You will have no headache in finding private flats. You need not negotiate with landlords paying every month electric and water bills, etc. Even you will also save your money. You need not pay in a hostel, but if you choose any other university in the Philippines, then you need to live in outside flats or agents' hostels and you need to pay for 12 months, even for vacations also. Currently, AUF has 3 hostels for boys and 2 for girls. And being in campus accommodation, you and your parents will have peace of mind that you are at very safe and secure place and with lot of Indians living together, and you can concentrate only on studies and score better. Ninth, do you know cooking? Just asking. I know you are not going with your mom. So who will cook for you? Yourself? Then when you will study? So here also, Angelus University Foundation has solved the one biggest requirements, Indian subcontinent food. You need not cook food for yourself. Here, Indian subcontinent mess at a very reasonable cost inside the hostel itself, serving 100% Indian subcontinent food. Hot, tasty, fresh, ready, hygienic, regular and on time. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. 3 meals a day, all 30 or 31 days. So you will save time for studies and eat chole bhature, pav bhaji, dal rice, roti sabji, idli sambar, pizza or any kind of non-vegetarian variety. Whatever you wish, they will cook for you. As they know, good food will make your mood good and you concentrate on study better. The city itself is very good and safe. Pampanga got an award for being the best place to live in the Philippines, and direct flights are available from major cities of Indian subcontinent to its Clark Airport. Even being premium medical university, you can pay university fees in installments, semester-wise. So no burden on your parents. There is no donation or foreign fees in this university like other Philippines universities, as it is a foundation, a not-for-profit social organization. This university is established in 1962, means around 85 years ago, and year on year it is emerging as best medical university. It has a very big campus, which creates a great place to study and develop the whole personality. So if you're really looking forward to join a great medical university, then don't compromise and contact admission consultant and secure your place with toppers of your country and best doctors of the world. Welcome to Angelus University Foundation. Welcome to the right place for fulfilling your career goals. To have a reputed MBBS degree with great clinical exposure. To have a valid post-graduation in your preferred specialization. To become a famous doctor and to work with experienced and renowned doctors at the world's best hospitals and solving together critical healthcare and medical challenges and make a positive impact in this world. Step up for better future. Angelus University Foundation. Contact now your admission consultant.